रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. My learners, today I am going to teach you about the derivation of the expression for equilibrium constant of a general reaction from unit number 9, chemical equilibrium. Derivation of the expression for equilibrium constant of a general reaction. The equilibrium constant denoted by Kc as a mathematical relationship, as a mathematical expression that shows how the concentration of the products vary, means differ with the concentration of the reactants, and it can be derived by using the rate of forward reaction and the rate of reverse reaction. As we have discussed in our previous lecture about the equation, so rearranging that equation by which we get Kf divided by Kr, Kf equals to the rate of concentration of the product C in square bracket D in square bracket divided by concentration of reverse reaction equals to A in square bracket B in square bracket. Dear students, where Kf divided by Kr equals to Kc, therefore we can write the above equation as follow, where Kc is called the equilibrium constant. In Kc, the subscript C denotes the molar concentration at equilibrium. The general definition of equilibrium constant can be stated as follow. The equilibrium constant Kc, the equilibrium constant denoted by Kc is the ratio of the mathematical products of the concentration of substances formed, that is, the products at equilibrium, to the mathematical product of the concentration of reacting substances, that is, the reactants. Each concentration is raised as high to the power equal to the coefficient of that substance in the chemical reaction involved in the chemical reaction. The equation for Kc is sometimes referred to as the chemical equilibrium expression. Kc equals to the product of concentration of product which is raised to the power of coefficient divided by R over product of concentration of reactants raised to the power of coefficient. Now here let us consider a general reaction with different number of moles. So law of mass action can be applied as follow. You can see here, where small a, b, c and small d are the molar concentration of capital A, B, C and D respectively. So the equilibrium constant expression can be written as follow. Now a large value of Kc shows that at equilibrium the product concentration are greater than those of the reactants and vice versa. The equilibrium constant of a reaction is independent of pressure, means it doesn't depend on pressure, concentration and catalyst, and its value is constant for a particular reaction, and its value is same for a particular reaction, where Kc is called the rate constant in term of concentrations. Dear students, after watching the video, then read the topic on page number 8 and 9 and learn more about the derivation of the expression for equilibrium constant of a general reaction. Take care and Khuda Hafiz.